How to change your Twitter's @name. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I'll show you how you can change your username on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change the name on Twitter, also known as your username, it's very simple. But if you come to your Twitter over here and then you tap on the profile icon from the top left, you can see two names, which is your main name and which is the name. So if I tap on my profile page, you can see my main name and my name again, which is my username. And if I go to the edit profile button over here, you can see I only have the option to change my main name, but there isn't the option to change the name. So how do we change this name over here? Well, in order to do that, you want to come back over here, tap on the profile icon from the top left. You don't want to go to the profile page, but you want to come to settings and support, and then you want to come to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you want to go to your account information, and then right at the top you can see username, which is your name. So just tap on it and you can see at the beginning, which means that this is our name. Just enter the new name that you would like to use. Tap on the done button this time, and once you've done that, you would have successfully changed your name on Twitter. That's all it takes to change your name or your username on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.